Mitra from Kids Programming. Today I want to show you how to make an e-card on Scratch. An e-card is an electronic postcard or greeting card which is sent for a festival, birthday, etc. So let's get started. The first step is to paint the backdrop. I'm painting. We can also combine two colors, like we have to go to the second option of the fill option and choose two colors. See, there are two combined colors. Okay, the background is ready. Now for the sprites. I'm searching cake. We know that cake is the important thing in our birthday. And I'm choosing balloon. The next step is to add the text, that is happy birthday. So let's go to the sprite option and go to letters. Choose the H. Choose the letters of the word happy birthday. Okay, here are the letters. Now I have arranged these letters. Now we can decorate by our wish. For example, I have added two balloons, and when the green flag is clicked, play sound birthday until done and come to the balloon 1. When green flag is clicked, change color effect by 25 for F. Same to the balloon 2. Now if I click this green flag, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye.